Please subscribe to this channel for more videos related to Catholic Christian teaching. By the state of human nature is understood the inner constitution of human nature in relation to the final end set for it by God. One distinguishes between historical states and merely possible states. The state of elevated nature, that is, the primitive state of the first human beings before the fall through sin, in which they possessed both the absolute supernatural gift of sanctifying grace as well as the preternatural gifts of integrity. The state of fallen nature, that is, the state following immediately after the sin of Adam, in which man, as punishment for sin, possessed neither sanctifying grace nor the gifts of integrity. The state of restored nature, that is, the state restored by the redemptive grace of Christ, in which man possesses sanctifying grace but not all the gifts of integrity. The state of glorified nature, that is, the state of those who have attained the final supernatural end of the immediate vision of God. This state includes sanctifying grace in its fullness. After the resurrection of the flesh, the bodies of those in this state will also be endowed with the preternatural gifts of integrity. The state of pure nature, that is, a condition in which man would possess all that and only that which appertains to human nature and in which he could attain to a natural final end only. The possibility of the state of pure nature, which was denied by Luther, Bayes, and Jansen, is certain church doctrine. It springs as a necessary consequence from the doctrine of the supernatural character of the gifts of the primitive state. Pope St. Pius V rejected the assertion of Bayes. God could not have created man from the beginning in the condition in which he is now born. God, therefore, could have created man without supernatural or preternatural gifts, but not in the condition of sin. St. Augustine and the scholastics expressly teach the possibility of the pure state of nature. the state of unimpaired nature, that is, a condition in which man, in addition to his nature, would possess the preternatural gifts of integrity in order to reach his natural final goal with ease and with certainty. Please go to YouTube Retimentality channel, playlist, Divine Act of Creation for the complete series of these materials.